Open.
Close.
Please open the window.
Don't forget to close the door behind you.
Start.
Stop.
Let's start the meeting now.
We need to stop talking and focus.
Come.
Go.
Can you come here for a second?
I have to go to the store.
Buy.
Sell.
I want to buy a new phone.
She wants to sell her old laptop.
Win.
Lose.
Our team might win tonight.
Sometimes you lose and that's okay.
Stand.
Sit.
Please stand in line.
You can sit over there.
Arrive.
Leave.
They will arrive at 8 p.m.
We should leave before it gets dark.
Give.
Take.
Can you give me a pen?
Don't just take things without asking.
Throw.
Catch.
Throw me the ball.
I'll try to catch it.
Push.
Pull.
You need to push the door to open it.
This one says pull, not push.
Come in.
Go out.
You can come in now.
Let's go out for dinner.
Wake up.
Fall asleep.
I usually wake up at 7.
I fell asleep watching the movie.